Hey y'all, it's Meso. Welcome to my kitchen today where I'm going to be doing something good like cooking, and I'm going to show you how to do it too. We're going to make something good, quick, simple, and delicious. Ain't that the way it ought to be, honey? Yes, it is. Okay, are you ready? Let's go on and get started then. We're going to take just a little sneak peek at what we're going to end up with. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Let's see what it takes to get this stuff made. So here I have some claw crab meat. I've got some sour cream, and I've got some Duke's mayonnaise. Now you should get you some too. It's the best one to use. Yellow mustard. Here I have some cream cheese. I have some Parmesan cheese, some mozzarella cheese, some cheddar cheese, and I got some pretty shrimp right here. We're going to be using all of this, honey. Let's get to work. So I got my pan here, and I got some butter that is melting in the pan, and I'm just getting in my shrimp. Now look, I'm putting seasoning on my shrimp. This is my new love of my life, this It Rite seasoning. I love it. So I'm going to get some of that on here. I'm going to get some garlic and some salt. This is a combination of pink Himalayan salt and regular kosher salt. Don't worry about the amounts and the ingredients. You're going to find all that in the description box. I'm going to tell you just how much you need of everything. You just want to get these nice and sauteed. Get some color on them. We're going to take them up and put them in our bowl and set them aside. Come right back and use this same pan, honey, to put your spinach in. We're just going to kind of let the spinach cook down a little bit. Going to add some water to it and just let it cook. Get nice. So, okay, we're going to move right ahead. Once the spinach is cooked, set it aside. Drain it through your strainer. Now we're going to start with the rest of our dip. I have here the cream cheese. I just chunked it up so it'll be easier to spread, but make sure it's room temperature. I have some cheddar cheese, some mozzarella cheese, and my Parmesan. It don't get on easier than this, right, guys? It's as easy. So I am putting in my shrimp. Already smells good. I'm going to use my claw crab meat. Now this is the good stuff, honey. Now if you don't want to use this, or you're on a budget, you can't use this, get you some imitation crab meat. Just don't tell anybody, honey. There's no shame in that. It'll still be good. I'm getting in my Duke's mayonnaise. This is a southern mayonnaise, and this is what we use on just about anything. If I can't find my Duke's, sometimes I'll use Hellman's, but Duke's is my favorite. So I'm putting in my sour cream. I'm putting in my freshly cut up spring onions. And you don't want to put in too much of anything because you can always put more in, but you can't take it out once you get it in. So now I'm going to put a little bit of yellow mustard. Could use some brown mustard here, spicy mustard if I wanted to. These are just a few red pepper flakes and my chopped up fresh parsley. Beautiful. I'm putting in some fresh lemon juice. I freshly squeezed this lemon juice. And now I am going to begin to combine, baby. Get everything together. That's my specialty, honey. Bringing things together. And we need all that right about now. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. Now, you know you can stop and eat this just like it is. It would be good. But we're going to kick it up. Here's what we're going to do. You see this pan? This black iron pan. Yeah, I've got it all with some grease with some butter. I'm gonna get my mixture in this pan because we're gonna eat it hot. This is gonna be a hot dip. Oh man, it's gonna be so good. It's gonna make it so much better when it's hot and all that cheese is stringing it. Oh man, you'll see. I'm going to get it right on into a preheated 350 degree oven, honey. Let it cook about 25 to 30 minutes until it gets bubbly and all golden brown. You'll know when to take it out. Look at that. You want something on your table looking just like this. Look at that. You see how it's kind of browned around the edges but soft and creamy. You know how I love the brown and the soft and creamy together. Oh, my goodness. So we're going to get some up and put it in the plate. I feel like getting my bread and just dipping it right into this pan and eating it out of the pan, but you guys are watching. So I guess I better not do that. I'll just be a little more sophisticated, and I will put this dip right on this plate. Woo. Yes, yes, yes. Can't hardly wait. Come on, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. This right here ain't nothing but just a little bit of food porn. Totally not even necessary, but God, it looks so good. I'm trying to inspire you all to cook this. Cook this for your man, for your kids, for next time you have some company. Cook this just for yourself because it's good. You know how you go out to these restaurants and buy it, pay a ton of money? You can make this at home so much cheaper, and it'll be so much better, and you can have however much you want of it. Here I have some naan bread that I have toasted, and I am just cutting it up into some pretty little triangles, honey, because this is what I'm going to eat mine with. Now, like I said, I wanted to get that bread and dip it right down in the pan. But okay, here's a little bit more civilized way of doing it. Take a look at that. Woo, get into my belly. I don't have to say a word. Oh, man. Everything this looks like, it is that. And more, honey. Oh, give me some of them shrimp. Yeah, right there. Give me another one. Oh my. This is how we do it, y'all. This is how we do it. Ooh, bring it on home, honey. Oh man. This is the kind of stuff gonna have them calling you a kitchen rock star, honey. They're gonna think you could do anything. Guys, thank y'all for coming by to see me today to see what I'd be doing. You knew I'd be throwing down, and I hope I did not disappoint. If you're already subscribed to my channel, then thank you. But if you're not, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Share my videos wherever you're active on social media. Give me a big old thumbs up and leave me a comment, honey, because I love hearing from you. Guess what? Now I am on Instagram as Meso Making It. I am also on TikTok, Meso Making It. I am on Facebook, Meso Making It. Go on Facebook, and if you make some of my recipes, upload me a picture and let me see how yours turned out. I want you guys to support me on every one of those channels. Please go and follow me. I appreciate it. I thank you so much. I love you. Guys, I just want to say thank you for coming by. You never know how much you mean to me. I want you all to be good to yourself and be good to somebody else. Show your love with your food. Cook something for somebody. Bye-bye.